have the INMO Air 3, a significant upgrade to the INMO Go, which I reviewed recently. These lightweight 1080p waveguide AR glasses feature a Sony Micro OLED display with 600 nits brightness, 36-degree field of view, and are powered by a Snapdragon XR processor, enabling seamless triple-screen multitasking. Navigation is intuitive with the included 3DOF Smart Ring, while the 60-megapixel ultra-wide camera and the 150-inch virtual display enhance both media and productivity experiences. Additional features include remote desktop access, AI integration, and an open SDK for developers.